Hello everyone, welcome to our Take It Sol channel for learning how to fix a Wi-Fi connect but no internet access problem on Windows laptop. Okay, I'll give you solution. Firstly, go and start button. Okay, type run, enter. Okay, and this type service point MSC. Okay. Wi-Fi direct service connection manager. Okay, start. After that, go and radio or radio management service. Okay, secondly, go and radio management service. Okay, it's okay, it's not important. After that, go and network connections. Okay, network connections. Okay, it's okay, so you can close all windows and start at manager. Okay, after that, okay, go and file, choose one new task and clean. Okay, browse choose system 32, cmd point exe. Okay, cmd okay. Open it. Okay, create this task and okay. Net speech WhatsApp. WhatsApp set. Okay, after that you can copy. Okay, copy and paste. And catalog and enter. Okay, paste. Okay, and this and IP reset. Okay, reset log point txt. Enter. Okay, CRS for clearing. Okay, IPCRN if IG Okay, and release, enter. You can copy, and paste. Renew. After that, enter. Okay, paste, flush DNS. Enter. Okay, you can exit. It's okay. If you don't find a solution, it's important to try another way. Okay, let's begin. Go and start. Okay, control panel. Panel. Okay, internet option. Choose internet options. Go and advance it. And select use SSL. Okay, select, and my site, it's okay. Okay, select, it's okay in my site. Okay, but in your site, see, if it's okay, you can leave. Okay, apply and okay. You can close the window. Okay, and start. Type view network connection. View network connection. Okay, and go Wi-Fi properties. And go and for okay, internet protocol version. Internet protocol version 4, and select. Okay, properties. Okay, choose use the foreign DNS, or select use the foreign DNS. Okay, type 888888844. Type okay. You can close. And this, go and do the same work. Properties. Okay, property. Yeah, select use the foreign DNS. Type 8888844. This is the Google DNS. Okay, enter. Okay, you can close this window. After that, okay, start device. Oh, forgive me. Okay, type device manager. Okay, device manager. Go and network adapters. Okay, I have to have a cable. It's important. And my side, I don't have TP-Link Windows because I have internet access. Okay, in your site you can find TP-Link Windows. Okay, me, I choose WEN mini port IP. Okay, and properties. Okay, driver and update driver. Okay, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list. Okay, choose WAN mini port IP, and next. It's okay. Windows has successfully updated your driver. You will see on your site the Wi-Fi. Okay. Before you close this window, it's important to scan. Okay, scan for hardware, and after that you can close this window. Okay, and you can see it's okay. Wi-Fi zipping. Okay, it's a pleasure to be with you.